Tonight, Washington stayed on edge after seeing the first U.S. death from the coronavirus. Now a nursing home, the center of concern over a potential coronavirus outbreak. The CDC investigating after a staff member and resident tested positive, with more than 50 others quarantined showing symptoms. Health officials waiting for their test results as Pat Patton worries about his wife.
I'm not concerned about myself. It's her that I'm concerned about, because she is kind of sickly.
After not being able to reach her for 3 days at the facility, he finally got word from the nursing home that she's not showing any symptoms. Meanwhile, firefighters and police who responded to the nursing home are now in quarantine. 16 college students also being monitored after visiting the facility last week. Their campus shutting down to disinfect. Neighbors who live next door say they are preparing for the worst.
Who knows what actually is there, how far it will go, and if there's some type of containment or cure that they have for it.
Brandy Gray is 3 days away from giving birth.
Bringing a newborn into the world, I don't really want to expose them to anything.
Fear rippling across the small community after 2 new infections confirmed in the county. Researchers familiar with the strain of COVID-19 say the virus could have been spreading for nearly 6 weeks in Washington state, with as many as several hundred people currently infected. Now more confirmed cases expected to rise as 75,000 test kits become available. Overnight, Rhode Island announcing their first case, a school closing in response.
This kind of things which will help you sanitize, they're flying off the shelf.
While in cities across the country, those worried about a possible pandemic are stocking up.
Gotti joins us now from outside that nursing home in Kirkland, Washington. Gotti, have we heard anything more about the patients and the staff there?
Yeah, the executive director here says that they are currently monitoring 7 possible cases of respiratory illness, but none of them so far have tested positive for COVID-19, and they are following all the protocols and guidelines from the CDC, keeping them in isolation. They also add that as soon as the shift starts, each staff member is screened, and anyone showing any signs or symptoms is sent home immediately.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.